Hey guys, this is Christopher the Plotagon Boss, where today I want you guys to come to my friend's live stream. His name is Swift Monkey or whatever. So I want you to come to his live stream. And if you be royal, you will get a shout. You will get mod. Just comment, give me mod. He's doing a sub for a sub stream. And you know me, I like my sub for a sub. I love me some sub for a sub. So if you guys can come to the stream, that will be perfect. Anyways, this is Christopher the Plotagon Boss signing out of this video. Oh, and by the way, I have a message to my haters before I go.